Hi everyone and welcome to Topi Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make TOMAPEP puree. Now let's get started. To begin, you start by placing the tomatoes, chili pepper, scotch bonnet or habanero peppers, bell peppers, onion, garlic, ginger and water in the blender. You cover the blender and you grind till you get a smooth paste. Once you grind to a smooth paste, you pour the blend into a pot. We're going to dehydrate it by boiling to reduce the liquid in it. So you boil till you get a concentrated paste and most of the water has been removed. Now to preserve this for longer, in the freezer, we're going to add oil into this mix and fry it for like about 2-3 minutes. This helps preserve it further. And your TOMAPEP puree is ready. You can now bottle this or place in plastics and store in the refrigerator. Till next time, bye bye.